Alright guys, welcome to another episode of B2Z. This is a 5-frame nuke that has a laying worker in it. Last time I checked was yesterday, and I was pretty certain that this was a laying worker treatment. It did say it's got some cap queen cells, but there was no frames added recently and they're coming out of nowhere. So probably just drone cells that are not going to really be viable. This one right here is queen right, and the last check was yesterday. It's had queen eggs, plenty of larvae, had 3 out of 5 frames that were drawn out in cat brood, and we'll go from there. So plan is to combine these two guys. Going to put some wax paper over the top of this one, and then get this one right on top of here, and let them chew through this, and combine themselves slowly. Alright, so with that in mind, let's get to it. This is going to be pretty quick, not much to it. Actually, I have a screen on it right now. I think what I will do is just leave the screen on there like this and just put it on top like that. This way the workers can't get down to the queen. These guys can't get back up. Their pheromones will circulate throughout both hives, and then after a day or so I can take this part off. These guys have plenty of resources in there, so there we go. And that's probably all I'm going to do for them. I'm just going to move these guys just a little bit over, a couple inches, to see if these guys will orient themselves to the new spot. And that's it. So we'll call this a 5-frame combine. Today is May 29, and I'll do a follow-up video when I remove that screen from between them. I'll go ahead and put a note on top of the hive. follow me. String between. Alright guys, so stay tuned, and we'll do a follow-up video in this one. Make sure you subscribe and hit your notification button. This way when I do the follow-up video, you'll get notified when we take this screen off. Again, thanks for watching another episode of B to Z. The rain is beginning to come down.